Hey there, my friend, fellow traders. Will here with FXAUUSD.com. First, a big welcome to the video. So, if you remember last week, I posted a video to my YouTube channel regarding a possible good signal on the USD Swiss franc to make a couple of hundred pips. If you run my YouTube channel, you can subscribe to the channel and you can get these constant trade updates. If you're on my email list, you can simply click one of the links below and join my mailing list. But if you're already there, you would have got this signal. Okay, so if you watch the video, the initial signal did happen on the 13th of February. So it had dropped that day, but it rallied back up to round about the signal area, which is here. So I entered the market on 14th on my long-term account to go down, and you can see it's moving down nicely already, nearly 90 pips. Yeah, if you look at the 4-hour charts, you can see here where we got in, up around the start of the move down here. Target is down here, but I'm going to watch it at these other levels, especially this kind of area here. I'll be watching to maybe take half the position off. Okay, it's closing in, just the last high that was taken out. So maybe see how price starts reacting there, but I'm liking it to come down further, down towards here, and maybe all the way down towards here, going off the higher time frame charts. So time will tell in this trade, but if you get in the trade, well done. It's a nice move so far, and it's going nice. So if you want to learn how I trade, you can actually access the MacBot system, which is this system here that we use. We use trading zones, and then we look for special signals inside these zones. Really simple course, but we automate this process, 95% of it, with the indicators. So very powerful. Any questions, get in contact with me, Will, at the FXAUUSD.com. Get the MacBot system via the link below. And thank me later for the trade. It's going well, nearly 100 pips already. If you get in when I posted the video, well done. If not, better luck on the next position that I give. Okay, so I'll speak to you soon. Will over to FXAUUSD.com.